Just like I always made my bed up at home.
Yeah.
You all know how neat I've always been. Will you please hand me the food sheet?
It got taken to the,
Here, Mama. Here, Gaga.
oh, okay.
Okay, that needs to go up here because this is where he's going to sleep tonight.
Alright.
According to him.
Wow. That is something absolutely gorgeous.
Well, he wishes he had a ladder. However, I'm glad he doesn't because I just don't think, I didn't think that it just take up so much more room.
Yeah, you don't have enough room.
Oh, so.
Okay.
Mama, put me upstairs.
I mean, look at that monkey.
These are Mama.
Honey, those are
Now he
gorgeous.
needs the sheets to go on this. Now he'll just stay here the rest of the day.
Instead of going swimming?
Smith, that is wonderful.
I want to go swimming.
You do?